Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. This is Shelby. Today we're going to be checking out this 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. If you have any questions at the end of this video, make sure to shoot us an email or call us at any time. Come on up and let's look at this beauty. Looking across the front, you'll notice the iconic one-year-only headlights. All the trim around the grille is stunning, along with the headlight rings and the bumper. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that the body lines flow beautifully from the front to the back. Come on up and let's check out this lovely interior. On the inside, it's done in classic black that flows perfectly with the Cortez Silver. Looking across the dash, you can see that the round SS gauges and that the dash pad is in excellent condition. This 70 comes with factory AC along with having power windows and power lock doors. As we come on around, you can see that it has the bucket seats and the console, which houses the horseshoe shifter. The carpet has been replaced and the power top has a new canvas and black boot for when the top's down. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. And as we make our way around the back, we can see that the bumper has been replaced. The taillights are like new as well, and we can see that the 70 has a rear exiting exhaust. We can also see how excellent the truck lines up here with the quarter. As we come around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can check out the great stance on this Chevelle. It's set up with the 15-inch Super Sport wheels with the Firestone Wide Oval Tires. The panel fit and gaps on this convertible are amazing. Everything is covered in the Cortez Silver Vase Coat Clear Coat paint that's accented by the black SS stripes. As you can see, it has been polished to a mirror finish that's slick as a ribbon. Now that we checked out the outside, come on up and let's look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. It's powered by the matching numbers 396 L34 350 horsepower engine. It's set up with the factory style intake and quadrajet carburetor. This 70 has the correct valve and the chrome air cleaner with the 396 callouts. Along with it having factory AC, it also has power steering and power brakes with the disc on the front. The 396 is mated to the Turbo 400 trans and the 12-bolt rear end. Of course, it comes with the F41 suspension, and the frame and the floors are all in phenomenal condition and look to be rock solid. Thank you so much for tuning in and checking out this beautiful Chevelle with me. If you have any questions, make sure to email us or call us at any time. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.